Without a telescope, but only with paper and pen, a new planet was discovered 175 years ago by French astronomer Leverrier, astonishing the entire scientific community. The story begins with an apple falling from a tree in front of the famous physicist Sir Isaac Newton. Observing this event, he pondered deeply why the apple fell straight down and not sideways or upwards. This led him to formulate the universal law of gravitation, which states that objects in space attract each other. The more massive an object is, the stronger its gravity, attracting smaller masses towards it. This attractive force is called gravity. This law of gravity applies not only within our world, but also to the entire solar system and the universe. A prominent example is our solar system, where all planets orbit around the Sun because the Sun's mass attracts them. Our Moon also revolves around the Earth due to the gravitational pull of the Earth, even though the Moon is much smaller. While the Moon's gravity is not enough to disturb the Earth's orbit, it does create tides in the oceans. Imagine for a moment that the Moon is not orbiting the Earth, but is stationary. The result would be that the Moon would collide with our Earth within minutes. Yes, where the Earth's gravity pulls it towards itself. But due to its orbit, a force is generated, pushing it away from the Earth's surface. This force is called centrifugal force. Due to the equal force of the Moon's central symbol force and Earth's gravity, the Moon revolves in its fixed orbit. Similarly, all planets orbit around the Sun due to this gravitational law proposed by Newton. Many experiments were conducted and research was done on Newton's gravitational law, and it was proven that the entire system of our universe depends on it. This happened around 1840 when Uranus became the last planet discovered in our solar system. It is about 4 times larger than Earth and was discovered in 1781 with the help of a telescope. However, an anomaly was noticed in Uranus' orbit. It was observed that it was not entirely following Newton's gravitational law as it started deviating at a specific point in its orbit. While gravitational laws govern the entire universe, how could only one planet behave differently? Astronomers were perplexed by Uranus' unusual behavior for about 60 years. French astronomer Leverrier was among those who were studying Uranus extensively but couldn't explain the deviation and the reason behind it. He proposed that there might be another massive planet near Uranus that was affecting its orbit. However, no planet was visible in its vicinity. Some astronomers even suggested that there might be something missing in Newton's gravitational law. They questioned the accuracy of the law itself. Those who spent most of their lives researching stars and planets were adamant that the gravitational law was correct, and Uranus was being influenced by another unseen planet. On 23 September 1846, after a long and extensive mathematical calculation, Leverrier predicted the location of this hypothetical planet near Uranus. According to his calculations, this hidden planet's mass was about the same as Uranus. When he revealed his findings, some astronomers mocked him, as no visible planet was found near Uranus. However, Leverrier's prediction was proven correct when a German astronomer named Johann Gottfried Galle, using the coordinates provided by Leverrier, observed a blue dot in the designated region of the sky. This new planet, Neptune, turned out to be the 8th planet of our solar system. Galileo had previously seen it through his telescope, but mistook it for a star. The discovery of Neptune was attributed to Leverrier's calculations, and he earned recognition for it. Though he desired to name the planet after himself, it was eventually named Neptune, after the Roman god, following the traditional naming convention for celestial bodies. In 1989, NASA's Voyager spacecraft passed by Neptune and captured several photographs from a distance of about 3,000 miles. Neptune is the farthest and the last planet of our solar system, located around 30 astronomical units away from the Sun, 1 astronomical unit being the distance between Earth and the Sun. Its temperature remains around -190 degrees Celsius, and it experiences intense storms with speeds reaching up to 2,000 kilometers per hour. While Leverrier, who discovered Neptune using only mathematical formulas, might no longer be alive, His legacy lives on through the model of Neptune in Paris, which serves as a reminder of his achievements. I hope you all will like and share this video generously. Thank you for your love-filled comments. See you in the next fantastic video.